To add or subtract the rational expression, we need to make sure that we have the same denominator in both expressions. So as you can see here, both expressions have an x squared minus 7x. So we're going to keep that same denominator, and then we're going to combine the top. So we're going to subtract 2x plus 35. So you want to make sure you distribute that negative. So we're going to have x squared, and then when we subtract minus 2x, and then negative times a positive will give you minus 35. So now we're going to factor the top and the bottom. So at the top, we have a trinomial. So we're going to start by setting up my binomials. Now, x times x gives you x squared. Now, the c here is negative, so that means we're going to have different signs in our binomials. Now, we need two numbers that will multiply to give me negative 35 and add to give me negative 2. So those two numbers will be 7 and 5, but we're going to make sure that 7 is negative and the 5 is positive. And that works because 5 times negative 7 is negative 35, but then 5 plus negative 7 is negative 2. Now let's factor the bottom. So we factor out a GCF of x, and then we're left with x minus 7. Now we want to check for any common factors that we can cancel out in the top and the bottom. So as you can see here, the top and bottom both have x minus 7, so they can cancel out. So then our final answer is going to be, let's see, x plus 5 at the top over x. Now remember, you can only cancel out factors. So x plus 5, you can't cancel out the x values. That would be incorrect. So this will be your final answer here. X plus 5 over x.